Okay, guys, this is going to be your review for light. Okay, so we'll start it off here. We're going to start with this. Okay, so the student is expected to demonstrate that light travels in a straight line until it strikes an object and is reflected. Two key words you need to know: reflected and refracted. Reflected means bounce. Refracted means bend. And I'll show you a diagram later in the picture. So when you see your image in something, that's being reflected, bouncing back. When you look at something like when you see, the best example is like when you have a pencil in a glass of water. That is light being refracted. Next, light, energy that can be sensed by the eye. Anything you can see that's got light in it. Reflect, energy waves bouncing off the surface of an object. Mirrors, best example. Okay, sometimes if you look at a lake though, or a pond and it's got real still water, you can see your image on that. Refract, the bending or redirection of energy waves that pass from one substance to another. Water does that. And then also lenses. Those of us that wear glasses, the lenses actually bend the light so we can see it better. Otherwise, everything might be blurry all the time. And the medium is just a substance or a carrier of the energy. You know, like if the light's passing through water, the medium is water. If light's passing through the air, the medium is air. Some key concepts. Light travels in straight lines until it's reflected or refracted by another object. Remember, reflected means bounce, refracted means bent. So light travels in straight lines until it is bounced by an object or refracted by an object. Refracted or bent by an object. Light is reflected when it bounces off objects as mirrors or other shiny surfaces. The image we see in a reflection is a flipped image from the original. And light is refracted or bends when passing from one medium to another, like if it's going from air to water, such as, there you go. A refracted image is a distorted or changed image from the original. So like distorted means how the pencil looks after it's in water. This is a diagram of what it looks like whenever so this is what it looks like whenever light is bent. See this right there? Bounces off that. So I'm sorry, when it's bounced, when it's reflected, when it bounced. If it was bent, it wouldn't look anything like that. It'd come through here. So this is obviously a mirror. Next, okay, so this is what reflect looks like we just did in the last diagram. And then we have the word refract. Refract is the bending or redirection of energy waves as they pass from one substance to another. Here we go. Here, see the diagram here? So this goes like this, and then is bent like that. So bending is refracting. Remember, reflect is bounce, refract is bend. And these are objects that reflect over here in yellow, which reflect means bounce, correct? So light bounces off mirrors, mirrors and periscopes, shiny surfaces, aluminum foil. So remember, reflect means bounce. I've said it enough times. You ought to know it by now. Things that refract are all listed here in red. Okay. Water refracts. Lenses. All these lenses right here. Lenses and glasses, lenses and telescope, hand lenses. And remember, refract means bend. Okay. That should do it. That should give you enough to be successful. And go and do your pre-assessment and post-assessments for STEM scopes on light energy. All right. This is Mr. Forney signing off, saying be where you're supposed to be, doing what you're supposed to be doing with the people you're supposed to be with. And I do miss y'all. Talk to y'all later. Bye.